So I'm here in Sintung village and in this beautiful waterfall called the Warishi waterfall. And if you can see the water behind me, crystal clear, a very beautiful spot. And I would urge all our tourists to definitely visit this place whenever they come to our state of Meghalaya. So just somebody can just help me translate. So now I'm part of the band. Tell them I'm part of the band. Tell them. I'm part of the band now. So I will be giving them 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. Since you're part of I'm part of the band now. So this is my band. So I'm giving 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. Okay? Good. So I need the name of the band. So we are here in Sintung village in Mapundriu constituency in East Khasi Hills, and we are right now here to see this beautiful place which has got huge potential for tourism, and we will be developing the tourism sector also out here by ensuring that we put up infrastructure and other amenities. But apart from tourism, as we can see on my side and behind me and across, that there's a huge scope for strawberry plantation out here. And the agriculture department has taken large number of steps to ensure that this particular plantation and product is promoted. And through that whole process, today more than 250 plus beneficiaries are getting benefit here in Sintung village, and at the same time they are marketing this product all the way to Guwahati, to Naramak, and also at the same time they are selling the product out here in the state as well as supplying it to IIHM, and there's a huge demand for it, and at the same time the farmers are getting a very good price also for this. So from the agriculture department we are committed, and as a government we're committed to give full support, and I see that there's a huge potential in terms of processing these products, and therefore in the coming days we will put up a processing unit out here through which the farmers can get benefit, and the farmers around this region also can get benefit, and the tourists also can actually get a whole experience of not just the plantation but the different products that will come out of the strawberries that are grown out here. So I'm very happy, and I urge our tourists also to come and experience this and be part of our farmers' lives, promote them, support them, and that way, as I said, we'll be able to create much more value and many more livelihoods to this.
Yeah. This is pour over coffee. This is like. And we have started under CM Farm Plus doing the coffee plantations. Very expansion. So we already did 500 hectares last year. We are going to do more.
We have been growing, our farmers have been growing coffee in the past, and this is being sold and processed in different ways. But as we are aware that obviously coffee is a very competitive market, and so we have to ensure that the processing is done in the correct manner, the packaging is done in the correct manner, and standards at the national and international level are met. And this is what we have been doing differently now, where we have trained our farmers, our entrepreneurs to now process the same coffee that was being grown in the past many years and processing it and packaging it in a different way, following the national and international standards. And today, the same coffee that was grown by the farmers is now packaged in this manner and being sold, and the demand is very high, and now we are not able to meet up the demands. So we will be now upscaling this and involving more of our farmers and entrepreneurs to produce more of this branded coffee and packaged and processed coffee made in Meghalaya. So not just the coffee, even these strawberries are grown right here in these farms. And this is also again a product of our own state and grown in these farms. So we're having a breakfast made in Meghalaya.